Hello, dear students. Today I'll be doing Standard 1 poem from Unit 5. It's a very short and sweet poem. So let's get started. Me, myself, and I. The instructions given here are listen, sing, and act. इसका मतलब बच्चों आपको सुनना है, पोइट्री को एक्शन के साथ एक रिदम में गाना है ताकि आपको पोइट्री जल्दी लर्न हो जाए. So here it is. Me, myself, and I. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Me, myself, and I. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Now let's understand the poem. Before I read the poem, children, have a look at the picture given here. Can you see this little girl here? Let's give her a name, Pinky. Okay? And who is this person behind her? Any guesses? Yes, you're right. She is Pinky's mother. Now look at her mom's action. It looks as if Pinky has done some mischief. ऐसा लगता है पिंकी ने कुछ गलत किया है, इसीलिए उसकी मम्मी बेलन लेकर उसके पीछे भाग रही है. ऐसा क्या किया होगा पिंकी ने? Let's find out, children. Me, myself, and I. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Now here there are three words put together as if they are the names of three different children. But actually they represent one and only one person, that is Pinky. Now here me किसके लिए यूज़ हुआ है? For Pinky. Myself किसके लिए यूज़ हुआ है? Again for Pinky. And I किसके लिए यूज़ हुआ है? Only for Pinky. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. We is used for Pinky only. She quietly went to the kitchen without making any noise and she ate a piece of the pie. Now what is this pie, children? Pie is a kind of cake only. It is filled with nuts and fruits and sometimes veggies are also added as per your taste. And it is cut in a form of a pastry and it can be eaten. तो उसने वो एक पीस खा लिया. तो जैसे ही वो खा रही थी, then my mother she came in. Mom kitchen में आ गई. And when mom saw her eating the pie, she got very angry and chased us out with a rolling pin. Chased us means she ran behind Pinky with a rolling pin. Rolling pin किसको कहते हैं बच्चों? बेलन, जो मॉम यूज़ करती है ना रोटी बनाने के लिए, रोटी बेलने के लिए, उसे कहते हैं रोलिंग पिन. तो वो रोलिंग पिन लेके मॉम पिंकी के पीछे भागी गुस्से में. यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? सो दिस इज व्हाट इज अबाउट द पोएम मी, माई सेल्फ एंड आई. Now let's read the words given below. The first one is myself. 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 The next one, kitchen. 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 Now have you noticed something, children, here? When we say the word kitchen, there is one letter whose sound we do not hear. एक लेटर है जिसका साउंड हमको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. कौन सा लेटर है वो? T. T sound you do not hear when you say the word kitchen. That means the letter T is silent in the word kitchen. You understand what I'm saying? The letter T is silent in the word kitchen. The next one is 8. Now in this word 8, A-T-E, which letter is silent here? The letter E is silent in the word 8. The next one is pie. What is the spelling of pie? P-I-E, pie. Now in the word pie, which letter is silent? किस लेटर की आवाज हमको नहीं आ रही है? Yes, E. We do not hear the sound of E when we say the word pie. Okay, the next one is chased. C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. Next is rolling pin. R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling, and P-I-N, pin. Now next is about myself. Here you have to provide information about your own self. आपको अपने बारे में जानकारी देनी है. So let us try to complete the sentences. The first one is my name is. यहाँ पे आपको अपना नाम लिखना है. The first letter has to be capital of your name. For example, if I write Sana, my name is Sana. The first letter S has to be capital. S-A-N-A, Sana. The next one is I am studying in dash standard. आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ रहे हो? You all are in first standard. So you will write the name first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Next, I am dash years old. आप कितने साल के हो? Some may be 5, some may be 6, some may be 7. So accordingly you write. So let us write here S-I-X, 6. I am 6 years old. Next, I live in. आप कहाँ रहते हो? So we all live in Mumbai. So let's write M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. The first letter of Mumbai has to be capital. Next, my friend's name is. You will write any of your friend's name. So we will write here one name. Example, Sarita. So Sarita, first letter has to be capital. S-A-R-I-T-A, Sarita. My hobby is. Now what do you mean by hobby? Hobby is something you like to do in your free time. It can be any activity that you enjoy doing for fun. So my hobby is, you can write one or two hobbies like dancing, painting, reading, anything. Drawing also you can write, or traveling. If you like to travel, you can write traveling, watching television. So these are your favorite pastimes. So let's write here reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. And one more hobby I will write here, that is painting, P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G, painting. Now next, my favorite color is. Any of your favorite color. So let's write one color which I like, that is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. That's all for today in this class, children. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.